Welcome, students. Today I have come with a new chapter, the verb and types of verbs. I have told you previously, if you like these videos, please subscribe this channel. In every video, I shall discuss difficult chapters of English grammar. Well, my students, now I am with the chapter, the verb. Verb is a word which expresses an action or state. We know it is the most important word in a sentence, as without verb we cannot make a sentence. Verb is a word used to tell something about some person or thing. For example, Ria reads a novel. Reads is verb. Ria is reading a novel. Is reading verb. Ria has been reading a novel for 3 months. Has been reading is verb. There are two types of verbs, finite verb and non-finite verb. For example, sucking honey from the flowers, the bees flew. Flew is finite verb and sucking is non-finite verb. Another example is, I want to swim. Want is finite verb. To swim is non-finite verb. There are three types of non-finite verb: participle, gerund and infinitive. I shall discuss it later. Today's class is on finite verb. Finite verb is the verb which completes the sense of a sentence. Okay? For example, I want to go. Want is finite verb. Then finite verb is the verb which completes the sense of a right sentence. Finite verb, there are two types. Number one is main verb or principal verb. And number two is auxiliary verb. Okay? There are three types of verb. First is action verb, which means doing words. Second is be verb, which are am, is, are, was, were. And the third is have verb, has, have, and had. Action verbs. Examples: Ria reads a novel. Shumita swims in the pond. Raja dances on the stage. Secondly, be verb. He is a good boy. We are very good friends. Are they okay? Third is have verb. Have they no TV? They have no TV. They had no TV. Then verb expresses doing, being, or having something. And a verb starts a predicate. From the verb part, a predicate starts. Sometimes we write more than one verb in a group. The verbs are auxiliaries when they take another verb after it. He is writing a novel. Is auxiliary verb. A letter has been written. Has auxiliary verb. Helping the main verb. Okay? There are two types of main verbs, transitive and intransitive. Transitive verb is a verb which has object. Object means the response of what or whom, or what and whom both. For example, Mr. Basu teaches me English. Mr. Basu teaches whom? Me. Mr. Basu teaches what? English. Here is the response of what and whom both. the verb teaches is transitive verb. Okay? Don't confuse action of the transitive verb passes over from one person or thing to another person or thing. For example, he spoke the truth. He spoke the truth. The truth object spoke is transitive verb. Intransitive verb is the verb which has no object. Here is no response of what or whom. For example, he became mad. Here is no response of what or whom. Here action of the verb does not pass over from one person or object to another object. He goes to school. But here is no answer of what or whom. So goes is intransitive verb. Okay? Here I have told you previously the verbs are auxiliaries when they take another verb after it. Okay? There are two types of auxiliaries. Primary auxiliary or main auxiliary and modal auxiliary. Primary auxiliary am is are was were. It is in the category of V verb. Have verb has have or had, and do verb do, does and did. These are primary auxiliary or main auxiliary. And second is modal auxiliary. Okay, modal auxiliaries, for example, shall, will, can, could, may, might, should, would, ought to. Okay, he will do it. Do main verb, will auxiliary verb. I shall do the work. Do main verb, shall modal auxiliary. He will do it. Do main verb, will modal auxiliary. We should obey our parents. Obey main verb, should modal auxiliary. We would do the job. Do main verb, would modal auxiliary. It may rain today. Rain main verb, may modal auxiliary. It might rain today. Rain main verb, might modal auxiliary. We can do the job. Do main verb, can modal auxiliary. We could do the job. Do main verb, could modal auxiliary. Remember, my dear students, main verb is always placed after modal auxiliary verbs. I have already told you the verbs are called auxiliaries when they take another verb after it. And as these verbs help to form sentence and voice, the auxiliary verbs are also called helping verbs. And then today we have learned what is verb and what are the types of verbs and implementation of verbs in a sentence. Okay? Thank you.